Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Unlock and open clock, then select the alarm you want to change. While you're in alarm sound, pick a softer tone so the alarm's waveform is less aggressive. Next, go to Settings Sounds and Haptics because iOS ties alarm loudness to ringer and alerts. Reduce the ringer and alerts slider a bit to lower alarm output. Make sure Change with Buttons is enabled if you want to fine-tune volume using the side buttons during the next steps. Once you've chosen a softer sound, press the side volume buttons while the tone is previewing to set the exact loudness. You'll hear immediate change so you can judge comfort. Make sure Change with Buttons remains on, otherwise the buttons won't affect alarm level. If you want a near-silent wake, set sound to a low-volume tone or vibration only. For total control, create or import a silent ringtone and select it as the alarm sound. This works around tone dynamics when you need minimal disruption. Now save the alarm and test it for 10-20 seconds so you confirm the perceived loudness. Make sure focus modes or do not disturb aren't altering behavior, and verify third-party alarm apps aren't used instead of clock. If the alarm remains unexpectedly loud, disable Change with Buttons to lock the ringer level or create a shortcuts automation that sets volume to a specific level before your alarm time. Troubleshooting tip: if headphones
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.